Thank you for having me here this evening. আমাকে বলা হয়েছে এখানে সার্ভিস মার্কেটিং নিয়ে কথা বলতে, meaning that how do you actually market or brand products that are not tangible. The products that customer টাচ করতে পারে না, ফিল করতে পারে না, সেটা আসলে মার্কেট করা খুব ডিফিকাল্ট. Brand is about differentiation. But I'll talk about the 4 things that we marketeers should follow. And I call it like trust, differentiation, loyalty, and promotion. I will tell you 2 very interesting facts. The majority think that Apple actually, brags the screen, the smoothness is actually made by Samsung. But who is the market leader? By far, okay, Apple. And what is the rate of new innovation that has come in Apple for the last 10 years? Nothing. Yet one sells 5-6 times more because Apple customers feel they trust the brand. The first thing is authenticity of the brand. Second point is, do you really know your customer? Third point হচ্ছে power of contents. My fourth point is the customer experience. Number 5, if you really want to excel in service marketing, invest in your people. 8 out of 10 customers today on Anand Gen Z are excited with sustainability initiatives, and that is where the world is going. Thank you very much.